Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best method to future-proof your Cash App usage. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic, so let's get straight into the video. Now, the best method to future-proof your Cash App usage is adaptability and restraint. You want to stay informed about features, updates, and policy changes so that your usage stays aligned with platforms' expectations. Avoid building financial systems that rely entirely on just one app. Maintain backups through traditional banks and alternative payment platforms. Be sure to keep records independently and review security settings regularly. Flexibility ensures that changes to Cash App features or rules do not disrupt your finances or operations. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.